In our Commitment 2018 coverage right now, Republican Yvette Herrell's campaign won a victory in court today in her effort to try to take the 2nd congressional district.
Yeah, Xochitl Torres Small won that race. According to our experts, if Herrell succeeds in unseating Torres Small, it likely won't happen until well after the Democrat takes her office in D.C.
This thing is far from over.
At a hearing Friday, a Doñana County District Court judge ordered attorneys to come up with an agreement that'll force the state police to impound 8,000 absentee ballots that ultimately determined Democrat Xochitl Torres Small won New Mexico's 2nd congressional district. But it won't happen until after Torres Small is officially declared the winner by the Secretary of State. That's happening in 10 days. Republican Yvette Herrell had initially been declared the winner by several media outlets and political experts the night of the election. But after midnight, the Doñana County clerk announced that there were 8,000 absentee ballots that had not been counted. At the time, Herrell was winning by about 2,000 votes. After the clerk counted the ballots the next day, Torres Small ended up leading by more than 3,500 votes. Now, the agreement will ultimately allow Herrell's attorneys to inspect the ballots and compare them to voter registration records in order to confirm if they are legit, which could take months, according to KOAT legal analyst John Day.
They want to see, apparently, if these ballots were cast legitimately.
Day said to legitimize the ballots, it's going to take an army of people from both campaigns, and there are likely going to be numerous challenges in Herrell's attempt to gain back 3,500 votes. Now, the odds of that happening are not likely since 62% of those absentee ballots belong to Democrats. That's according to KOAT political analyst Brian Sanderoff.
At the end of the day, I think Xochitl Torres Small will continue to be the winner of the race.
Election results are certified November 27th by the Secretary of State, Governor, and Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Now, Herrell's attorneys will likely be back in court again once an agreement is reached on impounding those ballots.